Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. You know what I'm saying? The video of today, it's all about the JBL 201. These kind of headphones, they surprisingly so amazing. Just by my first glance saw them, I was like, out of this planet Earth. And for further ado, let's get started. Whoa! Sounds like 201 in here. That's what's up. You can see guys here what we have is the JBL 201. These kind of headphones, they're really kind of robust. As you can see how much they look, they're so impressive. They give you like 50 hours of music time, which it's like, man, this is awesome. So yeah, let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. Okay guys, here we have it. This is the JBL 201, which is really kind of great thing. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside because I'm just so pumped. Whoa, nice packaging. As you can see guys, this is something which is so great. I like the way they package their stuff right now, JBL, to be honest. And what's in here? Wow. Now before we unbox it guys, I think we have paperwork in here. So as you can see, we're gonna just see what's packed in here. Nice and smooth. Yeah, nice. Now they listen. They made the paperwork so minimal. I find it minimal packaging. You can see how much you can use the Google Assistant. Now here we have it. This is our bad boy. Really minimal packaging. I really like that. So, whoa, this is really good. We're gonna start with the cabling first. You can see here we're having a USB Type-C of cable of charging it, which is really kind of impressive, which is really great. I like the brandings, JBL, which is really awesome. As you can see guys, it's really good. They keep up with the orangish inside, which they emphasize or they keep it minimal throughout their logos, which is great. Oh, impressive. You can see guys, we're having the jack to jack connector, which is really impressive. What's in here? You're getting a multi-port connection and it shows here like an aeroplane symbolic. It's just somewhere here. I think this indicates if you want to plug it in somewhere or giving you multi-port connection, or I don't know what's going on in here, but I think it gives you multi-port connection in here. I'm gonna keep it aside. I'm gonna see how it's being used. Nothing else in here, as you can see guys, there's nothing else. It's just the headphones now. And yeah, really nice packaging. I really like it. You can see how much they kept it. It's really awesome guys, to be honest. And yeah, wow, impressive. There's a switch button here for Bluetooth. You can see right now it's on. You can see it's just beeping, it's on, and this side it's off. I like the way they kept the minimum volume. It's not clickable, it's just there. It's just like, whoo, I'm squeezing something. It's just like my bowl here. You see this? It's like smoothness. So yeah, it's really impressive. As you can see guys here, there's a USB Type-C alongside here on top, which is really kind of awesome. And a headphone port here, which it's this minimal one, looks like Nokia from back in the days. You just keep it here, and I don't know why they kept this. I really, to be honest, I don't like it. I wish they could just keep this kind of bigger jack port in here. It would be much better because it's easy to get them. And yeah, it's really comfy. You can see guys, it's really looking premium, but it's plastic still. I think it's an ABS material plastic, which it's really great. Testing them time, yeah. So guys, I'm outside. I just wanted to come and test them out and see the experience throughout this kind of JBL 201. So we're gonna just pair them right now. We just find that kind of on button. I think it's just somewhere here. Nice. I like that JBL, they try to improve right now. There's a introduction throughout that kind of beep, and I can feel that kind of ANC. You can see we are pairing right now. Whoa, it just came. As you can see guys, it came real quickly that it just wants to connect on my phone. Ooh, impressive. See right now throughout this menu, active noise cancellation it's on, and we're having ambient sound control. You can, whoa, I'm actually can hear the surround, what's going on. I can just hear that, which is really good. And if I just pause that, yeah, ambient sound control is off right now. I can just feel I'm inside somewhere. And smart audio, you can control how much you want your smart audio to be, which is really kind of impressive throughout this kind of app. So matter of fact, if you get this 201, make sure that you just download the app to give you more features. Loon, playing Loon. Woo. Thing. Touch throughout these kind of headphones, like you give it, you can see right now. Let me just show you guys how it works. You can see I have the music there, it's paused. If it plays, pause. What about next? Yeah, it works. Nice. What about this one? This one does not do anything. I don't know what's happening. But this one, it works. Perfect. So you can just play the music through all these bad boys and get a good and amazing music. Like single touch playing music, double times 2, next 1, 2, 3. Previous, whoa, impressive. So I get it right now. That means this other one from my left, it does not do the touch control. The only one which works the touch control is the right one, which is really impressive. So beware that whenever you get these kind of headphones, the JBL 201, they work the touch controls throughout your right ear, which is really impressive. Another kind of stuff, the form factor, it's really minimal. I like it. But the problem is sometimes you're gonna touch it and music is gonna be playing, so that's like a downside. I wish it could be having like a sensor, but I noticed something. Let me just try it again. When you remove them, they stop playing the music. What about you return them back? Yeah, they do the thing. Well, I like that. That's a feature. Create your own personal listening experience no matter where you are with the JBL 201. The JBL 201 offers you an adaptive active noise cancellation, which is really remarkable, and a high-res audio certified. 2 beamforming microphones, use noise cancellation without audio, also pause when the headphones are removed, up to 50 hours of playback music, which it's really a lot of hours for playing the music. 2 echo and noise cancelling microphones, voice controls via digital assistant like Google Assistant and Alexa, audio input and cable for wired devices, and the dynamic 40mm drivers, which is really great. Okay guys, are these kind of headphones JBL 201 for you or not? To be honest, this kind of JBL 201, yes, they're for you, and they're not budget, they're expensive. They're quite no budget at all. They are quite expensive. They're really looking great on you, and the music experience, it's really professional one. It's really good. To be honest, I've never seen an headphones which can perform this way with bunch of features which it has, and it's really kind of impressive. I'm really sparked. I'm really impressed through all this kind of bad boy. The only downside, this kind of JBL 201, they're not quite budget. Just know that they're expensive. And yeah, that's what's up. So on the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of bad boy scores on the scale of 10 to 10 because they're really good. The music which you get, to be honest, awesome. That's what's up guys. Thank you for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here to be really kind of great and amazing thing. Last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace.